How's it going, guys? What? This is me, the Sasuke Curse. My first vlog, and this will be a lot of fun. Tomorrow, we're going to have scouting, camping, doing some campfire things. And yes, I'll record this tomorrow at 5 o'clock, I guess. Or in the, I don't know. This is the first time you see my face, right? It will be a lot of fun. Mushrooms. What am I saying? I mean marshmallows. Oh my god. And then amazing race from the members. This will be a lot of fun. Stay tuned for tomorrow, and I'm going to bring you the Sasakers in the future. See ya. It's turning 5. Good morning, guys. This is Sasakers on another vlog. I'll be seeing your friend Dan. Alright. It's been Sasakers in 5:30 in the morning. Finally, I'm dressed up. Because I go outside. I don't know why. I'm busy and I will go to school. Stay tuned. Finally, we're here. Campsite. There are a lot of campers here. That's our campsite. Denzel, say hello to YouTube. Record ako. Record ako. Say hello. You! Earl! Nakita ka sa YouTube. Record ako eh. Say hi, say hi, say hi, say hi, say hi, say hi. Huy! Huy! Say hi! Say hi! This will be the best day ever. This is a Girl Scout, this is a Boy Scout. This is our tent. Oh, look. Oh, I don't want to see that. I want to place from here. Oh man, look at the view. It's so beautiful. Oh my god. Campers here. Here we go again. This is with my friend. Say hello. He's sighing always. That's our tent. I'm recording. I'm recording. Let me see other campers.
And that you see the AZ flag, that is Athena's Venus Warrior.
Better shut up. That's Kratos.
Of
What's
harmony
this?
and destruction. There is their flag.
Nice flag.
Very nice.
Now who's playing the music? I said no MP3 plays loud. Oh, looks a battery.
Their tent is oversized.
Shut up! You little nugget. That's messy.
Let's go to the girls' camp.
I can't go in the girls'
No,
camp.
they're only in the fence.
Okay. Those two girls are sitting on a beach. Tomorrow will be carpet.
Ari, wrestling.
CJ! You're on YouTube already. Too late. Alright. Go inside the tent. Say hello! Fuck you daw ah.
Kaya mo ako yan?
Wait.
Ba ayaw mo hiram?
It's time for the workshop. We just won. Come Spartans.
tatlo eh, paano magkakasya? 2, 4, 13, pares lang pala ng third.
Go, pare, sentado. No. Ba't kayo nakikiupo sa latag ko? Ikaw, ba't ka nakikiupo sa latag ko? Ano pala? Saan kayo?
Ano pre, ano naman tanggal?
Hinuhulog ako. Tutusukan kita ng tanso.
Wag. No. Don't do it.
Bakit?
I'm recording.
Go! Victorian! Go, Eunice! 7 2 5 Ayak! Hintay mo, ang dami.
Palilinis ko lang yan, no? Hapon.
Meron siyang stalactite at stalagmite. Stalactite din sa taas, stalagmite din sa baba.
How do you know that?
Meron mo. Ayun, kitang-kita mo. Kitang-kita yung tingin sa tenga ni Dane.
Ano?
Tingin na sa tenga. Stalactite,
Shut up.
stalagmite.
Oh, panalo ba yun?
Asilus wins!
Victorians lose because they're not really Victorians. They are Luzorians. Defeated. Flying Deviants.
Sight.
Guard. Mo swimming pool, tas na tayo
This workshop game called The Falling. Well, I don't wanna join that thing. And here goes.
Dalido.
1, 2, ready naman na Albert.
Takot, kabado.
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 1. Hoy, tama na, ready. Albert ha. 1,
Magkayoyo ko, untog kayo.
3.
Not bad.
Yun na yun? Yan nila ba kababa? Yun na pala eh. Yung pabilisan. Yung pabilisan niyo pre. Hindi naman umabot sa amin. Sa dulo na lang tayo, hindi mo tumatahan. Ganun lang ba?
Pero dapat pala kasi nasa gitna.
Nasa gitna.
Okay, from the next one. Hello, welcome to YouTube. Plus works well.
Ganun ba kataas? Ganun lang. Oo, kahit ganyan kataas pre. Tiwala lang.
No way.
Wala ba yung mga gamaw sa mga pre? Isa lang
Sige
pinakawa
niya.
natin dito. Tiwala
This
lang.
game. Another one. Okay. Bye. Plus one. And well, we're having a meeting here. A bit. Here goes. Here goes the falling. Go play yourself, Valerie. Grade 7, second year, third year, and here goes. As in the falling does. And here goes. Okay, that's good.
Lahat ba ng team member? Lahat ba ng team member? Lahat ba ng team member?
Oh yeah, that's when the falling was. Against me, yeah, I mean. Wait, I'm recording.
Sino Weaver? Ulit! Kay Weaver, paano yan? Laki ulo niyan!
Quick start.
Nakakabiti pa!
Woo!
Sir, tumitingin! Tumitingin!
Yeah, right.
Puro cartoons sila gagawa.
See the Huskers
Sila lang
again.
yung kapatid.
Here,
Then, yung isa
going
Dora.
to some adventure thing. I don't know where we're going. But we will see.
Please, wait tayo.
Oh, gotta pause for this. For this coming. Hey. Shut up. Whoa, what that?
May ilang gagamba nandun.
Huh?
Ilang gagamba nandun.
Tatlo.
Whoa! Hardcore.
Tatlo.
Uy, haunted house. I mean, sirang house. Haunted house.
Dito naman. Dito tatlo rin.
Tatlo.
Side by side.
It's three. Tres. What kind of spider are those?
Mm.
It's a freaking tree spider. See?
Oh, it's a spider king. King
Yeah.
spider.
We're going to see Nagtala in 200 meters. Oh my god. How long
It's so
is this
easy.
gonna...
It's so near.
Yeah.
Try walking 10 meters. I 10 lol, 10 kilometers. And you will get exhausted in just 5 kilometers.
And then,
But I did 7 kilometers
okay.
and I
Good.
collapsed.
Is that conversation on math?
Hmm?
I
No,
still know how to
it's a
convert.
problem.
Pause this. Big.
Banana.
It's a horse.
It's a banana horse. It's a banana horse. The horse that lives on bunch of bananas.
Okay. Ah! Ah! He's taking a shit. Joke.
Daryl!
La 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 la.
Pause this. On the middle, on the
The girls are
slender
on the front and the
jungle.
boys are on the front, on the back.
Yeah.
So it's called ladies first. Authority. No. Ladies first rule.
I don't know why. Ladies
So
first.
ladies will be first eaten by a horse.
And then,
They die.
okay. Oh, look at the scare tree.
That's not a tree.
It's a tree
It's
of
a bush.
what?
A bush. A bush.
What?
A bush.
Ow. We're on pajamas. I don't know where we're going. And look at that dead tree there. And there's a lot of spiders here. Oh, look at those. Okay,
Maganda kayo
I'm
sila.
going to pause this. We are here, bros. I mean, I don't know how I call you.
Yay! After
Ninjas.
300 kilometers of walking, we are here. Uy, the mountainside.
Woo!
Cliff.
Cliff. Let's go jump off the cliff and die.
Yeah.
And never believe it.
Where's the mushrooms too?
Mushrooms. It's not my fault.
Where's the monsters? Mushrooms
Ooh.
too.
Ooh. Ooh.
What's so?
What the heck? is
There.
that?
The tank.
Super
Tank.
tank. Just stop here. Oh, it's a church.
No, it's chapel.
Oh, yun. Chapel. There we go.
Isa mo monastery. Ouch!
Ow! I guess we're going to take a shortcut. Oh. Is that it? Dahil kung kakasil ka, dyan ka na lang. That is a very good chapel.
Tinulak talaga yung katuwil.
Okay. Gotta pause this first. Cool place. I hope you like this. Let me see. Oh, outside. What's the outside? They clean the floor. What?
Wow.
Ito dito sa bangin.
Ito. Tignan mo kasi. Let me see. That is one pretty cool view. I love it. I'm the king of the world. Kidding. It's a sunset. Hello. Kidding. Alright, gotta pause this one. The top of the world. We're on the top of the world. I'm recording. Alright. Ooh, look at this. Look at this. Oh, look at that house. This is so good. There. Ooh, there's another house.
What the hell?
Ooh. I gotta pass this up for tomorrow. Swimming pool.
Look at that.
You dirty little.
On this.
Look at that pool.
Wait,
Wait, look at that pool. It's awesome. It's beautiful. Hey, someone's
It's
swimming.
beautiful.
Beautiful.
Come on, let's fall. Ayun na.
I think it's a spa, not a pool.
Look at the bridge.
Ow. Oh. Wow, look at the view. Say hello, say hi. Look at the view. This experience or something like this.
Chlorine. I smell chlorine.
I smell chlorine too.
Water. There is chlorine in the water. Parang sarap mag-swimming. Kayla! Kayla! Mapasig tayo! Tulay tayo!
I'm the king of the world.
Tulay tayo!
Oh, tala ka na, brother.
Delicious. And there's a campfire here. It's just us cookers here. Well, tonight I'll go to work with this in a few minutes or I don't know. Look at that. Clothes. Dark tent. I'm fully dressed up. It's night and it's a full moon. Yep. Through that. Well, I hope you like this. I mean, tomorrow we'll go hiking. So don't miss that, okay? Alright, thank you guys for participating for all the things we would do. Of course. Yes, thank you all. And that would be funny if CJ, you know, the girl from there said sapak sapak thing. That means it was a punch. Well, I guess she's mad. But thank you all for all the participation, guys, and I'll be seeing you in the next game video. Peace.